Did you not manage to get it up because you were nervous? Hey guys, so we had a lot of noise last night and we did not know what happened, but someone sent me that video. So I decided to make a little tutorial on how to use fireworks. So, and listen carefully. You need to place the fireworks up. If you want it to reach the sky, it needs to shoot up. If you shoot in it when it's flat, it can just hurt people. And when the firework is on, it can reach to 1000 degrees, in Celsius, and that can actually hurt people. And I'm pretty sure it did not meant to hurt people, right? It was so coincidence that you shot it at Jewish people and Jewish families. This is so crazy that this is happening, but yeah, I guess you actually need this little tutorial to explain to you how to use fireworks, unless you try to hurt people. I don't know. So I hope to see a lot of beautiful fireworks in the Jerusalem sky. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it really going to help you. I'll see you next video. Bye guys.